Hello, my great students. How are you today? Thank God we are entering next level 2022. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Now, today, one of my students asked me to solve this for him. 8 raised to power x is equals to 32. Now, how can we do this? Let's go there. Now, 8 raised to power x is equals to 32. Now, this is what is called exponential equation. So when you have exponential equation, there are rules that guide this kind of equation. So all you have to do is to make sure that they have the same base, then simplify. Then your answer is in view. So now, this is 8 raised to power s is equals to 2 raised to power 5. That means 32 on its own is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 5, which is the same thing as this. So all you have to do now is, now if you look at the left hand side of the equation, that means this number 8 that is carrying x as like a baby. So you have to what? Make sure they have the same base with 2. So all you have to do is to write 2 raised to power 3x is equals to 2 raised to power 5. As you can see now, they have the same base. So these two are not relevant. So you now have 3 raised to power 3x is equals to 5. So in other words, in order for you to get x, you now divide both sides by 3. So x is equals to 1 whole number 2 over 3. So that is that. Very correct. So you can also check to know whether what you have done is correct. What can you do? Is to substitute whatever you see this number in s in place of x. So remember, the question was 8 raised to power s is equals to 32. That means this thing, there is a number that is unknown here. Then when you substitute this particular number, you have 32 at the right hand side of the equation. So let's go. So you have 8 raised to power 5 over 3 is equals to 32. So there is a particular rule of initial equation called indices. So this one is cube root of 8 raised to power 5 is equals to 32. So what can you multiply in 3 places that will give you 8, which is 2? That means 2 raised to power 3 will give you what? 8. So we have 32. So remember I told you earlier that 2 raised to power 5 will give you 32. So therefore 32 is equals to 32. Equation balance. So